I'm going to use Safari
It's fine. It's fine. Whatever.
because I keep getting pop-up ads on Chrome. That's a whole nother.
Yeah, okay. That's a different workshop for a different day.
Have you made the desktop work yet?
What, made her desktop work yet? I don't think that's a... You mean the Chrome pop-up thing situation? Oh.
No, it's right. Application.
So just hold and pull down on the Instagram screen. Okay.
I did get something.
All right. Okay.
Yep.
You can also add location, totally optional. I know usually they give it as a pretty, sometimes they give you like a city, right? Mine, for instance,
What's the name of the castle?
The name of the castle where we got married?
Yes.
Ooh. Well, this is awkward. Put me on the spot. Oh my God.
Something.
I hope Megan doesn't see this video.
Never mind.
Whoa,
Okay.
geez Louise. Cut away. Edit this part out. Edit this. Ross, future Ross, edit this part out. This is gonna be bad. Let me look. Hold on.
I think it was Fonthill Castle.
I'm struggling with spelling Pennsylvania. Hold on. Pennsylvania tile. Fonthill Castle. Yeah.
I was right.
Cut away to Ross knowing, oh, Mom, that castle is Fonthill Castle, the Mercer Museum and Fonthill Castle. I knew it. I knew it the whole time. So that is definitely, ask it again. Ask Mom. Ask it again. Ask me again.
Me.
Ask me again.
You were just testing me, right? Ross, what was the name of that castle?
Funny you should ask. I know it right off the top of my head because I got married to my wife and it was the best day of my life. It's a Fonthill Castle, the Mercer Museum and Fonthill Castle in Doylestown, Pennsylvania.
Okay.
All right. So with that, you have created your account today. You have set up the details. You now understand the basic navigation and layout of Instagram. And you've posted your first post from your photo album. Do you have any questions on what we went over today? Okay.
No.
Feel pretty good about it?
Just hope I can remember all of it.
And
I can always call you.
I don't know. You can talk to me during my office hours. They're posted on my door. Otherwise, we're just going to have to address it the next class that we have. So, Go ahead. I was going to stop recording, but I'll just edit this out. Okay, sure. I'm not recording right now. Okay.
Okay. Do you use Chrome?
Oh, God. Oh, no.
Or do you use Safari or Firefox? What browser do you use?
This is a dangerous question because I don't use any of those, and it's going to drive you crazy, and then you're going to try it.
Well, what do you use?
My God. Ted is going to murder me to death if I tell you the answers to these questions. He's going to murder me to death.
That's right.
Yeah, you will. You don't have to tell him. You're going to get confused, and then he's going to have to help you. Okay.
Well,
I use Chrome. Why